After taking your time to set up your profile correctly and accurately, your dashboard becomes your home base for the rest of your Enfuego experience. When you arrive at the dashboard, you can get some easy information in the top bar. First, you can identify your subscription level, as the application includes various levels of access and features depending on your subscription status. Note that some features, like the ability to view skill enhancements and dynamically generate an unlimited number of resumes, are only available with paid or sponsored subscriptions. Basic gets you 5 resumes per month, while Premium gets you unlimited resumes. You can also see how many skills are in your skill cloud. Your skill cloud is arguably the most important feature of your profile, as it is what is used to assess your compatibility with a given job. It is also part of what's used to dynamically build your resume when you apply for a particular position. Along the top bar, you can also see how many jobs you've applied for, and what your average score is for the jobs to which you've applied. Below the top bar, you'll see a list of available jobs and your corresponding score for those jobs. The higher the score, the more closely your skill set matches what's articulated in the job description. You can quickly identify the number of skills you lack compared to those desired by the job description in the missing skills column. You can investigate each of these more closely and determine whether or not you actually have the skill that the application claims you're missing. At that point, you can go back and add it to your skill cloud to improve your score. We can tackle that advanced functionality in a different video though. For now, let's stay on the dashboard. Below the list of available jobs, you'll see a map that shows you where the top listed available jobs are located. Based on how you set up your profile, you may only see jobs posted in your local area. Next to the map is a list of skill enhancements. These are a collection of words and phrases that might be helpful or relevant to the skills you have on file for a selected job. Some of the words may be highly relevant, and some may seem like they're not applicable. You can actually help the application learn more about you by Xing out the words that really don't make sense to you. If you see skills you have, select them and they'll be added to your skill cloud. You can then go into the skills menu and provide more detail. Along the left bar, you'll see a variety of options you can select. My Profile simply provides you with an overview of the employment information you input during the setup process. If you ever needed to update or add a job, you'd go there. The Skills menu is where you can add or refine information contained in your skill cloud. You may discover skills you have that weren't on your original resume, so you can add them here or modify existing skills as needed. Accomplishments allows you to add or to refine the accomplishments you recorded during setup. Degrees allows you to add to or refine information about your education background. The same goes for certifications. If you acquire more or find that you didn't complete the information during setup, you can do so here. Jobs Available provides you with a more complete view of the jobs available to you and your corresponding score. Whereas the dashboard view only shows you the top available jobs, this menu item lets you dig deeper. If you see a lower scoring job you like, you can look to see what you're missing from a skills perspective by selecting the Skill Enhancements option. If you want to apply, you begin the process by generating a resume for that position, step 1, and then applying, step 2. Also of note is the Get Me More Job Offers button just under the top bar. By clicking this, the application scrubs the most recent job postings and scores them against your skill cloud, delivering fresh opportunities to you on demand. The Jobs Applied menu item shows you the jobs for which you've applied, as well as the frequency with which you've applied for jobs across a certain time period. It helps you keep up the pace, because we all know it's tough to stay motivated when you're not getting feedback from prospective employers. This feature also comes in handy if you need to report on your level of job search activity. Finally, the Help menu item is your go-to resource if you need help with a specific feature. In the next video, we'll get a little deeper into how to use the features at a more advanced level.